My mother, she knows so many things. Mum can find information in things as tiny and numerous as the dots in the night sky. Mum checks everything down to the last detail. Nothing gets by her. That's her way of protecting people.
My dad is a real superhero. He told me there were people selling fake drugs to make money. But these fake drugs are very dangerous. So my father is making sure that these people are arrested so that everybody can get proper drugs.
I love it when my grandma tells me stories from the past, especially about my great-granddad. Grandma tells me that sounds and beeps were used to send messages, just like in old movies. The ways people investigate have really changed. They go so much faster to catch bad guys today. It's like going from black and white to color.
Every day, my dad works to protect the planet. And thanks to him, I can imagine a world where people take care of nature, animals, and protect forests and oceans. Helping people do this is my dad's job.